How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a print like this. What you're looking at is two different items on the same build plate, but different colors. For example, if I slice it and we go through this, let's go down, you can see how it would print. It would first print the red object and then the black object. And I'm going to show you how to set that up. This will take only 1 hour and 14 minutes. Now let me go ahead and close this. This screen, I just pulled the model in, and as of right now, it is set to red. Now let me show you the wrong way of doing this. This is the wrong way. Let's go ahead and split these actually. So the wrong way of doing this is actually going in and setting one to black and one red and not change anything else. The reason why that's the wrong way is, well, it's going to take 2 hours now and 18 minutes if we tried this. And it will do layer by layer on each side, wasting quite a bit of filament. You'll purge around 0.11 or 0.33 grams, which in this instance isn't that much. It wouldn't be that bad. But you can see where if we did multiple models or bigger models, where that would be a problem. So let me show you this. Let me show you what we can do here. Let's go back to prepare, go to undo. And the first step that we want to do is first change how these are printed. Right now, it is set to print by layer. In order to accomplish our goal, we want to print this by object. So what we need to do, and this will work with any of the Bambu printers printing multicolor with AMS. Click on this gear here, and here you'll see the settings. This is the plate settings. This is where you go to change this in order to accomplish what we're trying to do. Print sequence. Click on this, click on my object, click OK. Now you'll see this, and don't be afraid of this error. This error is letting you know that if we kept it the way it is, there's a possibility that the tool head could hit the print and either mess up the print or mess up the tool head. What you need to do is just come in here, separate these guys, that way they clear when moving around. Now at this point, we can go ahead and select one of these, change the color to black, and that's it. So when we slice it, it'll first print red and then it'll print black. Alright guys, I have one other little tip for you here. Alright, let's say I had very little filament. I didn't know how many I could print of these, but I wanted to try and print as many as possible. So let's go ahead and clone this out. Let's make 3 of these, and let's separate these on the build plate here. Separate it some more, a little bit more. It can be a little finicky here, but you just gotta work with it here and there, and it will eventually get right like that. So the hypothetical, I have a black roll of filament. I have very little on there. I can see the cardboard under that, but I know I could print maybe 1, maybe 2 of these. Well, how you can do that and not worry about the whole build plate being trashed from not being able to print it is to do it by object. So what I've done here is I've put this object here 3 times. When I print, the printer will still print these 1 at a time. It does 2 first, then 1, then 3. So this is another great tip and another use case of by object printing. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video showed you something that maybe you didn't know, or maybe you was wanting more information about. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.